Hi guys, welcome to Gladly Tech YouTube channel. In this video I'll be talking about how to convert BTC coin to USDT. So if you want to convert your BTC coin to USDT, the steps are very easy. So the first thing you have to do is to tap on your BTC coin. Then the next thing you have to do is to tap on swap. So of course you have to make sure that from the first coin there should be BTC and the next one should be your USDT. So I just have to search for my USDT. So looking from the network we have here, you see that there is nothing like USDT. It simply means that there is no USDT there. So for me to be able to convert my BTC to USDT, I have to go back and withdraw my BTC and send it to I have to tap on the send option and then send my BTC to another exchange that can be able to convert my BTC to USDT. A very good exchange I can do that is Binance app. So I just have to head straight to my Binance app and then copy the BTC receive address. So on my Binance app, after clicking on wallet, the next thing I have to do is to tap on deposit. So on my deposit, I have to search for BTC. So now I just have to select any of the network, and take note of this: any of the network you are using on your Binance app should be the same with the network you are using on your Trust wallet. If not, you are going to lose your phone. So let me say I'm taking the first one that says BTC SAC with. So I just have to tap on it, and now I can now copy my deposit address. Looking at it, there is no memo. So I just have to copy my deposit address, head straight to my Trust wallet and paste the address I copied. So on my Trust wallet, I just have to paste the address I copied and now enter the amount that I wish to send from my Trust wallet to, let me say I'm sending 50 BTC. So I just have to tap on next and confirm my transaction, and it is going to take place in 3 minutes. The transaction will be completed. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks for watching.